is where refrigerators are laid to rest. Hi, I'm Danielle, the Green Queen, and I'm on location today at APS's state-of-the-art refrigerator recycling facility. If you got an old refrigerator like this, do the green thing and recycle it. Today I'm here to find out how APS is helping you move forward, recycle the old refrigerator, and go green. Joining me now is Program Manager. Her name is Dresden, and she is going to explain what we're actually seeing in these glass cases. These are the inside components of our refrigerator.
These are the inside components of a refrigerator, and the first thing that happens when a refrigerator is picked up at a customer's house is we're going to cut off the power cord, and we're going to smash the thermostat so that it doesn't work anymore. But we actually start dismantling the refrigerator as soon as it gets to our recycling facility. We'll remove the front doors, and then we take out the shelves and the plastic bins, and they get broken down into the display that you see here.
And then this is interesting because the refrigerator has plastics, there's metal, there's foam, glass, refrigerant, and oils in one refrigerator. But each of these different products that are inside the refrigerator are broken down and recycled right here at this plant, so they can be used on to further things, right?
Right. A lot of these items are used to create other items.
Okay.
For instance, the plastic will often get used to make cell phones, laptop computers, MP3 players. The metal often gets turned into rebar, things like that. And the glass, as you can see here, the crushed glass. What we typically do with the glass is we use it as an aggregate in cement and concrete as a filler, so that it goes into using useful other purposes.
Okay, right here in our community.
Right.
So if you have an old refrigerator or a freezer, this is the place to bring it. You can have all of these components broken down and used in a recyclable way that's going to give back to our community and our environment, because you're clearing up and you're making your carbon footprint a lot, more efficient, more safer, because those old refrigerators, my gosh, the equipment in them are so outdated and they use so much energy.
That is true. They use a lot of energy. And a lot of times people don't realize, customers don't realize how much energy that refrigerator that's in the garage or the laundry room uses.
What we're seeing right now is the refrigerators have been laid onto the assembly line, and they're making their way after the doors have been taken off, the glass has been removed, the plastic containers from the inside have been removed. This is actually where the destruction starts, right?
This is where it begins, yes. There's a special mechanized process that we have in place that will remove the refrigerants and the oils from the refrigerator, separating the oil from the freon. The foam is going to get chipped away from the shell of the refrigerator, and it's going to be bagged up so that we prevent off-gassing from the foam, and it's going to be sent to a waste-to-energy incinerator facility where they'll actually create energy in the incineration process. So the next step in the recycling process will be to have the foam chipped away from the metal part of the refrigerator. 95% of the refrigerator is recycled, yes. It's almost the entire thing.
This is true, and when you look at it, the only thing I think of when I'm operating a refrigerator is opening it up to get some food. I never think about actually that there's plastic, there's glass, there's all these different materials that can be broken down and recycled and used for other things.
There are a lot of elements that make up a refrigerator. We try to use as much of the elements that make up the refrigerator as possible. All you have to do is just be an APS customer, and you can do one of two things. You can go to aps.com and schedule an appointment online at your own convenience, or we also have an 800, a toll-free number that customers can call as well.
So we just saw the destruction of the refrigerator with the foam being taken apart. It is literally down to nothing after that process, and it is bagged up and it is off to recycling. Got an old refrigerator sitting around in the garage. Best thing to do is let APS have it. Just remember it and use it for other recycling benefits throughout the valley. So do your part, recycle. Go online at aps.com. Dresden here says it's a great program. I've seen it for myself. It's a wonderful program. And who knew that a refrigerator can be broken down and used in so many beneficial ways right here in our community to help you go green. Thanks, Dresden.
Thanks.